Vedanta is one of the world's largest producers of aluminium, the metal of the future, with 2.3 million tons per annum capacity. Under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik, Odisha is fast emerging as the new investment destination of India, with an aspiration to make in India for the world. Vedanta has partnered with IDCO, Government of Odisha, to set up a state-of-the-art aluminium park near its mega aluminium smelter at Jharsuguda, sprawling over 253 acres. The Vedanta Aluminium Park is a strategically located facility with priority access to high-quality hot metal to boost productivity, production flexibility, and cost competitiveness. Access to Vedanta's Center of Excellence and R&D facility for new product and market development. Vedanta's SEZ smelter in Jharsuguda is an added advantage to export-oriented manufacturing companies. The park has the potential to curb carbon emissions to the tune of 60 to 70,000 tons annually. Proximity to state highways, airport, railway station and major seaports of India, and a common amenities zone that houses Center of Excellence and R&D area, convention center, administrative and maintenance facilities, recreational and hospitality zone, clinic and dispensary. The park will be designed to be entirely self-sufficient with perennial water and power supply and a central effluent treatment plant. The Vedanta Aluminium Park presents a perfect opportunity for industries to supercharge their growth. This is a momentous occasion that will go on to shape the future of the Indian aluminium industry. Vedanta is committed to make quality, excellence and sustainability the hallmarks of its aluminium park. Come, experience true excellence and build the future at the Vedanta Aluminium Park.